Hey, this is attorney Elizabeth Potts-Weinstein, and today we're going to be talking about where you should form your LLC for your online business. So when we're looking at where you should form your LLC for your online business, I'm going to assume that either you, the owner, are located here in the United States or you're doing business in the United States, because I'm answering this question for LLCs or potential LLCs in the United States. So one thing to think about as an online business is that even if you do all your business online, you sell your products and services via a website or some other online marketplace, you do everything by email, you don't have a physical office where anybody goes to, everybody works from home, you still have a location for your business. That's weird to think about because you're completely online and you may think of websites and online as not being located anywhere. But the thing is, every business has human people who work there. The business may just be you, the owner. You're the only owner. There's no employees. It's just you. So one of the places that your business is located is where you're located. Another aspect can be if you have other business partners, if you have employees, if you have an office, but even if you have employees who work from home, you may be shipping from a location that's actually your location. So nobody can come to a retail space to buy your products, but you have a warehouse that you ship them from. That could be your location. Also, you're going to have some kind of mailing address because you need to have something to give the IRS, you need to have something to give the bank, you have a place where you have a banking relationship. All those potential places may be your nexus for where you're located. So if you, the owner, are located here in the United States, in some state in the United States, most of the time it's going to make sense to form your LLC in the state in which you're located. And the reason is that if you form your LLC in a different state, in Nevada or Wyoming or Delaware or wherever it is, and you're not located there, you're going to most likely need to file paperwork in your own state as a foreign LLC. So it's just costing you more paperwork, more money, more ongoing things you have to file, and it's just a lot simpler to form your LLC in your own state. Now, if you have business partners who are located in other states, you may need to just pick one that is the LLC location that has the fewest fees, the least amount of complexity. Now, if you're not really located anywhere in particular, perhaps you're traveling around inside the United States, or you're even traveling around outside the United States, or you've never even been to the United States. You're located in a completely different country, but you mostly do business inside the US, so it makes sense for you to form your LLC here, especially for banking purposes. In that case, you can pick what state you're in. Most of the time, I recommend my clients pick Nevada because as of the time that I'm recording this, the fees, they're not super low, but they're known. You don't have to do publishing requirements like you do in some other states. You can do all the filing online, and it's relatively straightforward to get a local address. If you pick a different state than that, the expenses might be more. You might have to do publishing requirements. It can be a big headache to get a local address that counts. That can be an issue in Wyoming, for example. And you may end up paying a lot more in taxes because Nevada doesn't have income tax on businesses. There's one situation where creating an LLC may not make sense for you. If you're a business owner who is planning to pitch VC, venture capital, is planning to get a lot of outside investors, it may make more sense for you to form a corporation in Delaware than an LLC anywhere else. Because even though the startup costs will be a bit more and the ongoing costs will be a bit more, investors like Delaware corporations because they're standardized. There's a lot of standard forms and they just understand how everything will work when they give you their money. Again, this is attorney Elizabeth Potts Weinstein. If you have any questions about where to form the LLC for your online business, you can go ahead and ask them below in the comment section, and I'll try to point you in the right direction. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe if you'd like any more legal tips for online business owners. Thanks a lot, you guys. Bye-bye.